Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart, we're still looking here at sideways consolidation. Not really an upside breakout yet, not a downside breakout, but I think this fifth wave is due. It might, I think it might look best with another test of support here, but it's not absolutely needed, of course. While I record this video, we see actually a little bit of upside momentum, and main takeaway is the price should get to $1.20 plus. If there is another test of support, it could be an opportunity. Again, I cannot rule out that we've already bottomed there, but just looking at microstructure, it would look best probably with another low. Maybe this B extends a bit. But again, it's not absolutely needed for microstructures, or let's say for microstructures, the levels are more important than the actual wave count, especially in a correction, because there are so many options for wave counts in a correction. It's best to just focus on the levels. And the idea is, and that's the overarching thesis here, that a fourth wave, a larger degree fourth wave, bottomed on the 20th of December. We have a 1-2 setup where the wave 2 reversed where it needed to, and we're now in a third wave. Now, based on the structure that we can identify here on the chart, we can identify or calculate an ideal target for the third wave, which is $1.20 plus, because the 138% extension is typically the first ideal target for such a third wave. It can always go higher, but I'm always highlighting this because without even getting there, I normally don't want to consider a fourth wave to be in the making if a pullback unfolds, right? Because a third wave to be considered a viable and healthy third wave, I really wanted to get to that FIB extension, especially in the crypto sector. And what we typically see is that we get 5 waves in the third wave. I mean, I can identify that. Wave 1, wave 2, that's all good. Third wave, maybe this the fourth, and then one more high. And that one more high is still outstanding, right? What I don't see yet in this structure to the upside is a healthy fourth wave. Well, this one, yeah, but not down here. That this is not a healthy fourth wave. And usually, in terms of time relationships, while there is nothing that is really reliable, a wave 2 and a wave 4, they tend to, take the same duration. It's not exact science, of course, but that's what I sort of use to identify, is it a healthy fourth wave? And see, it's now the same time. So it could easily now start to go up, even though I said it might look best with another leg down into support. Then we at least have a nice and clear 3-wave move. Or it might turn into a triangle, which is acceptable as well. If we bottomed already, it's not that clear to me yet, but it's of course possible. But I'd prefer maybe another test of support or a few more sideways adjustments in an Elliott wave triangle before we go higher. Either way, the main takeaway is that as long as we're holding above support, or above the key level there, I should say, at 96.7 cents, the focus could be on higher towards $1.20 plus. Next level above would be 128, which could also be reached in the third wave. Main takeaway here is that the third wave can extend easily. You can expect that. You can't predict it, but you have to consider that. And therefore, I will continue to adjust support until it breaks. But really, when we adjust support, then we're going to watch for this fourth wave at some point next. Yeah. Once the third wave is done, I will add support for this fourth wave, and then ideally we get one more high, and then we can call that again a wave 1, or we'll see how it integrates into the bigger picture. But for now, the upside momentum is intact, and the price action that has developed since the Friday high does suggest further upside continuation, maybe after another test of micro support. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.